Hello guys, today the video is about how to fix the screen overlay warning in Android Marshmallow. So in Marshmallow, once you install a new application, it might ask for some sort of access. So in this case it is asking for storage access, and if you press OK, it will take you into the this notification where we need to allow this access, and if you try to allow this, then we will be stuck in this screen overlay detected notification. So to resolve this, you press this open settings, and that will take you into this draw over other apps, where there might be few applications which have the access. So just deactivate those access. So in this scenario, I have 3 applications which have access to draw over other apps. So I am removing the access. Then just go back, try to open the same application, go through the same procedure, and once you click allow, it will allow the storage access. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.